Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group records in Airtable. Grouping in Airtable is a powerful way to instantly organize your records into clear sections so you can see patterns at a glance. Instead of sifting through a long list, grouping arranges rows under headers based on a field you choose, like status, owner, or category, so your data tells a story the moment you open the view. Start by heading to airtable.com in your web browser. Using a desktop browser makes the interface easiest to navigate. Once you're on the site, sign into your Airtable account with your usual credentials. After you're in, open the base that contains the data you want to work with, and then open the specific table inside that base. A base is your overall project or database. A table is the sheet-like tab where your related records live. Make sure you're in the view where you want grouping to appear. Grouping is saved per view, so it won't affect other views unless you set it there too. Look toward the top toolbar of your table view and click the button labeled Group or Group By. The label can vary slightly depending on the layout, but it will always be in the View toolbar. This opens a panel where you choose the field that will define your groups. Select the field you want to group records by. Good candidates are single select fields like status, team, or owner fields, categories, or any field where repeated values make sense when stacked together. Number and date fields can also be grouped, but it's usually most helpful when the values naturally form clear buckets. Don't worry, grouping doesn't change your underlying data. It only affects how records are displayed in this view. After you pick a field, give Airtable a moment to organize the records into groups. For small tables, this happens almost instantly. For larger datasets, you might see a brief loading indicator while Airtable rearranges everything behind the scenes. Once your groups appear, you can expand or collapse them as needed to focus on what matters most. Each group header shows the group name and typically the number of records it contains, so you can quickly gauge workload or distribution. Collapsing quiet groups keeps the screen tidy, and expanding active ones helps you zero in on priorities. If you want to adjust or remove the grouping, return to the same group or group by Control in the toolbar. There you can switch to a different field or clear the grouping entirely to return to the ungrouped list. That's all there is to it.